Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. I will show you how to make a fling tool, but before, make sure you join our Discord server. We will start doing giveaways. Don't forget to suggest your ideas in the comments. Watch my game devlog video. I will leave a model for it when I upload the next devlog, and now enjoy. Alright everyone, this is how the tool looks like. I added a funny sound and a cool effect into it. I will leave a model in the description, and don't forget to join our Discord server. I spent a lot of time flinging the dummies around because the tool was fun. Now stay with me, I will explain the script. We have two scripts, one that runs on the client and other on the server. We start with the local script, which is the client one. You made the variables needed, the player, his character, and his humanoid object to make the animation play. After we made a variable for the animation, we also made a timer to avoid the player from spamming the tool. Then we run an event, which is when the player equipped the tool, and we gave its function the mouse, so when the player clicked the mouse, we check if he is able to click. If that's true, then we reset the timer between clicks. Then we play the animation, which represents the punch animation. I named it Fling after we fire a server event. But wait, do you know what a remote event is? No. A remote event is used to connect between the client and a server. In our case, we want the local player when he press his mouse to check on the server is there are any near players to apply the fling on. First, we loop in the workspace and we search for players. To find the player, we search for the models that contains a humanoid object, and of course not our character. That's why we sent our player as an argument to make sure the fling doesn't apply on us. Then we check the distance between the players and the tool handle that we hold. If the distance is less than 10, then we want to apply an effect. First, which is a particle effect and some funny sounds. Then we apply some force using linear velocity to make the players fling, and then we add some rotation to the fling with the angular velocity. And that's it. This is how it looks like because I modified the script a little from what you saw in the start to make it fling more players. I hope you enjoyed this video.